Hey, this is Chris from Lake Ford bringing you a walk around video of our Wrangler Willys Wheeler. It's a little windy here today, so I apologize. You'll probably be hearing the wind in the video, but just wanted to get you a closer look at the Jeep. With the Willys Wheeler package, it does have quite a few functional upgrades that make it more of a off-road prepared vehicle. It's also got a different grille on it. We can send you the window sticker for full details. It's got different differential, different rear axle ratio, some skid plates and stuff. There's some little bit of cosmetic stuff on the front here. There on the front bumper. Undercarriage. Looking nice and clean. It does have power convenience group, so it's got power locks, power windows. Got your window controls. Interior is nice and clean. Got your hard top removable. What you're seeing there in the video on the seats, it actually doesn't look, it looks worse in the video than it does in person. That stuff just shows up pretty harsh on videos, on camera for some reason. On basically every car's black interior, it really pops out on a video screen, but it's nothing out of the ordinary. Looks fine in person, really. All weather mats. Let's see if the back will open up here. There you go. It does have the upgraded Alpine sound system too, which includes a subwoofer. So it's got a premium sound system, which is definitely a nice perk. All in all, a nice clean Jeep, ready to hit the roads or the trails or whatever you're looking to do. Thanks for your interest.